Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to install a USB charger that I purchased from Shopee to a Tvs Xl100 motorcycle. The installation is pretty much easy. Once you have your terminal block and capacitor module installed, you can watch my previous video all about it. Okay, let's begin. This is the actual unit I purchased from Shopee. I'll share some review about it. On the positive side, it has a cover which is splash proof or waterproof. It comes with a switch, an on-off switch, of course the USB charger, and a voltmeter. So it's actually 3-in-1 function. On the downside, this bracket is made up of plastic. It's too flimsy and it can easily break. That's the downside. So it's up to you to decide whether you want to install the same or a different one.